You ask Siri something and it just sends you to a website, which is honestly not that helpful, but there's a free app on your iPhone right now that actually gives you a real answer, and it's way smarter than Siri. Let me show you how it works. The problem with Siri is that it was built to do simple things like set a timer or call someone, and it still does those things fine. But the moment you ask it something that actually requires thinking, like explaining a concept, helping you write something, or answering a complex question, it just gives up and opens Safari. And honestly, that hasn't changed much in years. Meanwhile, AI has gotten incredibly powerful, and there's now a free app on the App Store that puts all of that power right in your pocket. And that's where Gemini comes in. Go ahead and open the App Store and search for Google Gemini. Download it, it's completely free, and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, tap your profile icon in the top right, go to Apps, and toggle on the Google services you use, like Gmail, Calendar, and Maps. This is what makes Gemini actually useful in your day-to-day life because it can access your real information. And one more thing, tap on instructions for Gemini and tell it a little about yourself, like your preferences or how you like answers formatted. Gemini remembers that every single time you use it, so you never have to repeat yourself. Let me show you 3 things Gemini does that Siri simply can't handle. First one, answering real questions. I'll ask both the same thing. Hey Siri, what's the difference between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA? And Siri opens a web page. Now I'll ask Gemini the same question. And it gives me a clear, detailed explanation right there in the app without me having to read through a whole article. And if I want to dig deeper, I can just ask a follow-up question in the same conversation, and Gemini keeps going from where it left off. Second one, analyzing photos. Tap the plus icon in Gemini and upload a photo of anything. I'll take a photo of this plant and ask what type it is and how to care for it. Gemini looks at the actual photo and gives me a specific answer based on what it sees. You can do this with food, products, documents, receipts, anything you point your camera at. You can't do anything close to this with Siri. Third one, Gemini Live. Tap the sparkle icon in the bottom right corner of the app. Now you can have a real back and forth voice conversation with Gemini, not just one question at a time like Siri. You can ask follow-up questions, change the topic, and it keeps up with everything naturally. You can even tap the camera button inside Gemini Live and have a voice conversation while Gemini sees through your camera in real time. Point it at anything and just ask about it out loud. No typing needed at all. For example, you could be standing in a store, point your camera at a product, and ask Gemini whether it's worth buying or if there's a better alternative. It sees what you see and gives you a real answer on the spot. The easiest way to access Gemini quickly is to add it to your control center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, long press, and tap Add a Control. Search for Gemini and add the Talk Live shortcut. Now you can get to Gemini just as fast as you'd get to Siri without even opening the app. And if you want it even more accessible, you can also add Gemini widgets directly to your lock screen so you can launch it without even unlocking your phone. Gemini is free, it's already on the App Store, and it genuinely replaces Siri for most things you actually need help with. And the best part is you don't have to give anything up. You can keep using Siri for the simple stuff like timers and calls, and switch to Gemini whenever you need something more useful. If you want a full walkthrough of everything Gemini can do on iPhone, I've already made that video and you can watch it right here. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.